What if the way you view the world could radically shift in a single moment of insight? Transformational learning theory reveals that true education isn't just collecting facts. It's about profound change in how we see ourselves, others, and our place in the world. Picture a student realizing for the first time their perception of success was shaped by outdated beliefs. Instead of simply learning new information, they question their assumptions, reflect on their experiences, and embrace a new, empowered identity. This is the heart of transformational learning, a journey that starts with honest self-examination and leads to personal revolution. Developed by Jack Mesereau, transformational learning theory tells us that breakthroughs often begin with discomfort, those moments when what we've always believed no longer fits the facts in front of us. Rather than shy away from these challenges, it empowers us to confront and reframe them. Through critical reflection and open dialogue, we unlock new ways of thinking, break free from self-imposed limits, and become the authors of our own growth. Imagine what's possible when classrooms, workplaces, or even everyday conversations become spaces for this kind of transformation. Lives are changed not because learners were told what to think, but because they discovered how to think differently. Every challenge becomes a doorway, every conversation a catalyst. With transformational learning, growth is no longer passive. It's a bold, active step into a future defined by self-awareness, empathy, and limitless potential. So, the next time you're faced with a moment of discomfort or uncertainty, ask yourself, is this an obstacle or an invitation to transform? The answer might just shape the rest of your life.